Here's how to deactivate your account on Robinhood. And there's two things here. There's deactivating your account, but there's also deleting all your data. And so if you want to request data deletion, do that before you deactivate your account. To do that, that's in the account dropdown, down to settings. Inside of here, go to your security and privacy, and then scroll down and you're going to see request data deletion. So you can click on that, go in here and request data deletion. Then we can exit out of this, and the next thing you'd want to do is deactivate your account. So we click this red button below the logout. You can click to deactivate your account, and it's going to basically tell you some steps that you need to do before you can deactivate your account. So you have to disable cash sweep, close out all your positions. So sell all your stock, ETF, anything you have to sell everything, and then bring your account balance to zero. So it's going to take some days for different account balance or different sales to completely process. And then of course for you to withdraw all of your money as well will take some time to complete. Once you've completed those steps, you can click this button down here to deactivate your account. That's how you can close your account, delete your data, and deactivate your account on Robinhood.